Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to learn English through a story. You can repeat the story after me. Then, we will learn some new words from this story together. Let's begin. Emily's office day. Emily was a hardworking woman who worked in a big office in the city. She had been working there for 3 years and loved her job. Every morning, she woke up early, made a cup of coffee, and got ready for work. She took the bus to the office, listening to music on the way. When she arrived at the office, she greeted her colleagues with a smile. "Good morning, everyone," she said cheerfully. Her colleagues liked her because she was friendly and helpful. One day, Emily's boss called her into his office. "Emily, I have an important task for you," he said. "We have a big meeting with important clients tomorrow, and I need you to organize everything." Emily felt a little nervous, but she took a deep breath and said, "Of course. I will do my best." She quickly made a to-do list and started preparing. First, she booked the meeting room. Then, she sent emails to the clients to confirm the time and date. After that, she prepared a presentation about the company's new project. The next morning, Emily arrived at the office early. She set up the meeting room, arranged the chairs, and checked the projector. Everything was ready. When the clients arrived, Emily greeted them politely. "Good morning. Welcome to our office. Please have a seat." She introduced herself confidently and began the presentation. At first, she felt a little nervous, but as she spoke, she became more confident. She explained the project in a clear and professional way. The clients listened carefully and nodded in agreement. After the presentation, one of the clients said, "That was an excellent presentation. We are very interested in working with your company." Emily felt so happy and relieved. Her boss smiled and said, "Well done, Emily, you did an amazing job." She received many compliments from her colleagues as well. At the end of the day, Emily packed her bag and went home feeling proud. She knew that hard work, preparation, and confidence were the keys to success. She smiled to herself and thought, tomorrow will be another great day at work. New words from the story: hardworking, a person who puts in a lot of effort and works hard. Example: Emily is a hardworking employee. Nervous, feeling worried or unsure about something. Example: she was nervous before the meeting. To-do list, a list of tasks that need to be completed. Example: Emily made a to-do list to stay organized. Presentation, a formal way of showing information to people. Example: she gave a presentation to the clients. Projector, a device used to display images or slides on a screen. Example: Emily checked the projector before the meeting. Confident, feeling sure about yourself and your abilities. Example: Emily spoke in a confident manner. Compliment, a nice thing you say about someone's work or appearance. Example: Emily received many compliments from her boss. Colleagues, people who work in the same office or company. Example: Emily's colleagues liked working with her. Now, let's practice. Repeat after me. Emily is a hardworking employee. She was nervous before the big meeting. Emily made a to-do list to stay organized. She gave a great presentation to the clients. The projector worked perfectly during the meeting. She spoke in a confident way. Her boss gave her a compliment on her work. Emily's colleagues were happy for her. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this story and learned some new words. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you next time.